Hey guys, we're going in Macy's. This is Ivy's coupon cap. Let's go look at some boots and compare prices from Macy's and Von Maur. But this is their perfume counter. Ain't this gorgeous? That Dior.
Is that the same lady that sold?
Like, hey guys, you guys want me to do all perfume so we can go over all the perfumes? Let me know before Christmas. I'm gonna go over perfumes anyway, but if so, I can kind of like get just the perfumes. But right now I gotta do the boots because I'm desperate for a boot. To all my people who watching me on the Macy's video, go watch the Von Maur video because you'll see why I'm in Macy's comparing boots. It's real bad, y'all, at this point. Who is it? Style. It's just Macy's. One of their styles, huh? Okay, let me go look at the UGG boots. Okay, here. I don't want a red boot, so they 170. I just never been like a red boot person. They kind of got colorful boots. I feel like their boots are a little more cheesier. So, yeah, see, that's blue. That's a blue one right there. Here is some more of them. Oh, what's that? Okay. I like that. But I don't want that, though.
Oh, that's cute.
You like it? My mother put on some perfume, guys. It stinks so bad. I'm like, that stuff stinks. She over there said, like, I know. Okay. Now, this is too much for me. I am not into leopard. Like, I don't buy leopard, nothing. But the boot, this one 180. So this one 170. But this one with the leopard is 180. Okay, so that's how I look. And it's 180. Like she over here smelling her hands. I'm like, oh my God, it's loud. This one 200.
They're cute.
The bows, I'm not into the bows though. I haven't been into the bows since the bows came out. 200. Here is my boot that's ripped, and it's 200.
Oh, that ain't bad.
No, that's not. That's a good size. But I was surprised that my boot ripped, and I don't know where I got them from. For me to order, maybe I could have had them on a discount or something. I don't know. Oh, now I like these. I like these little cute pink ones, 150. Look at that. Ain't that cute? That's cute. And then they got some gray ones just like it. And these are 150. But see, if they were a little taller, these would be perfect to get. But they too short. Okay. I saw somebody with these boots on, and they kind of like didn't look good.
Brown ones right
Yeah.
there about the size of
Oh no. Okay, too much. I just want to look at this. It's just too much. And it is 170. They couldn't even get those up to 200. Oh my God. Like I will see myself wearing this one time and no more after that. Okay. 170. Mother. Right. She don't want to talk to you because she won't make a sale. Which is fine, but be nice about it. Because I could be real crazy about it.
Yeah, for one thing, she can't speak English.
Here, this 200 right here. I like that. This lady is like mean because she see us browsing, which, okay, okay, I like this.
You don't browse.
Let's see. Can you zip it? See, that's what I'm looking for. So I like these right here, and they are 150. Those are kind of cute. These men boots right here. Now these, Isaiah, you don't like these? They man boots. I like those. My 10-year-old got a man feet, yeah. Man. These the ones you got, right?
No.
No. And how much are those? Those are 170. And then, oh, I like these. The moccasins. I have some moccasins though. And these are 98. She went downstairs, but this is the one I like. The moccasin. I like the moccasin. Okay. I like these. I can't see myself wearing these though nowhere. I like it though, but I can't see myself wearing it. And then, look at this. This is heavy. Oh my God, guys, this boot is heavy. And this boot is $210, and I can't see myself wearing it. But this one, 170. I can't see myself wearing those because I don't like real heavy boots. Oh, here they are again, guys. Here they are. This 150. I like this one. Here they 150. I like these. Yep. So these the new styles right here. I think this is a new style. These are, cause you can. It's a rain boot outside, but the inside is this. Then you got these, 250. Come on, Isaiah, get off of that. Move. I like this. Oh, I like this. Okay, so that's kind of like a motorcycle boot, and it's 190. Look at that. That's why somebody looked like they wore it and put it back down. Okay, and here's the small. Oh, so this is shorter than the one they had at Walmart, and that is 170. Okay, I kind of like that. Okay, this is cute. I like this 160, but I'm into these type of boots. I love like the military style boots. I like these. Let's see. I was trying to see if you could see in the middle, but you can't. Okay. Yeah, that boot is taller than my boot. Okay. I didn't even realize that. Sorry, guys. So my boot is this size. Okay. Yes, it is. It's that size. Okay. This is taller. Oh, this is the one my son have right here. Right there. Okay, same boot, just black. 210.
You will wear.
I like those.
What is something?
I like those. Let's see. Okay. 130 here. Put that back. This 100, I think. Yeah, 100. That ain't a bad price either. Here are the Sorels, guys. Now, I like their selection. Their Sorels look good. Look at that. I like these, okay? Those are $140. I do like the Sorels. Now, that one, that's the same boot. It's just beige. 140. Now, this reminds me of a Timberland boot, kind of. And it's 185. I like that. I actually like this boot. You don't like that? I like that. That's cute. My son don't like that, guys, but you know they ain't from that era where we wore Timberlands. I'm from that era. 185. I like those.
And they got this gloomy.
I like that. Sorel. 130. That's the only pair left too. Okay. These kind of like the rain boots. Sorel, and they are 120. I like those also. So I had to show my son what a Timberland boot is. Now he's talking about he needs some Tim. Right. Y'all don't be knowing what boots y'all be wearing. I like these. I think I wore mine out with the heel high on these. Oh my God, I wore them out. I love them. Those right there. I like the short Timberland, but I'm out of these shoes. Yeah, everybody wear those. My sister, this is her type of boot right here, guys. My son talking about who will wear them. I got a sister weigh about 100 pounds soaking wet. This her boot right here. All of those boots, and I can't wear them. Yeah, this say Coach. And it's 150. But so what's this? It ain't no use to me buying your stuff. You don't honor me, I'll honor you. Yeah. Okay, so we on our way out, guys. That was for the boots that was in Macy's. They had a collection, but it wasn't like a great collection, so we're gonna try to see what we can do. But for now, that's the perfume counters. Look at how pretty that is. Yeah, so I'm still deciding. I'm going to the outlet hopefully this weekend, so I will be doing them. That is a Kira right there. Right there, that's a Kira. He's crazy. You know that the VR places when you sit in, it's like a virtual reality. You sit in like chairs. And then, yeah, so this Aunt Annie's right here. Do you guys have Aunt Annie's? I live in Illinois. If you live in another state and you got Aunt Annie's, let us know. Because I love Aunt Annie's. They've been like our famous pretzel store for a long time. We love them. The famous caramel pretzels.
You want a cup?
Which one you getting? A cup of those? Mother, you getting some? Okay, a cup of cinnamon pretzels. And then I would like a couple pretzels with caramel, the little pieces. So we got our pretzels. Let's see. Guys, these are like our famous pretzels right here for us. I pour caramel over them out or I dip it in caramel. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's absolutely possible. No, you have to put the caramel on.
I'm tasting yours.
Do you all have Cheesecake Factory? Like, I like to look in other people's malls. We real big about going to people's malls and looking at their malls. So that's how much shopping I like to do, guys. Okay. Okay. It ain't summer in here, but it is cold in here. But you know it is what it is. Okay, guys. Come on, shop with me to another store. See you in the next video. Bye.